Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this little Volkswagen Polo. It is on a 2018 plate and it's the SE model. It's finished in pure white, just as it should be, like the mint. Looks really nice, shows off the nice crisp clean lines off the body. And it's in great condition as well. This is also under our approved use scheme, which means you get 2 years warranty, 142 point check on this vehicle, 2 years roadside assistance, flexible financial options, 30-day or 1,000 miles exchange agreement, and much more. It's a really great scheme and it's unlike any other really. Most other dealers will give you 12 months warranty, if that. I'll take you inside the car now. As you can see, it's done 50,312 miles. You've obviously got your 2-year warranty covering all major electrical and mechanical components. It's got speed limiter there as well. Auto lights, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, air conditioning, 2 USB ports, your 5-speed manual gearbox, really smooth on this car. You've also got your little sunglasses holder there too. It's a really nice car in good condition. See the seats. We'll give it a full valet for you as well before you do take the vehicle. We do offer nationwide delivery for just $199, or of course you can come and pick it up free of charge. We'll make sure it goes through our prep process and that everything that needs done gets done. This car is on site, so it's available to view or test drive whenever you wish. There's no need to book an appointment. You can just come down. Should be here. Like I say, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us and we'll be very happy to help. We do have a lot of cars in stock at the moment, including Polos, Golfs and our SUV range as well. So if you are wanting something bigger, that's totally possible. Likewise, we do have smaller cars like the Up available too. Thanks for watching and we're looking forward to seeing you very soon.